2024 Best Motorcycle for Beginners KTM 390 Duke. The 2024 KTM 390 Duke stands as the epitome of excitement and accessibility, earning its place as the best motorcycle for beginners. As KTM's entry-level offering, the 390 Duke caters to riders who are embarking on their two-wheel journey, seeking a bike that seamlessly blends performance, style, and user-friendly features. In this exploration, we delve into the key features that make the 2024 KTM 390 Duke the ultimate motorcycle for beginners, navigating through its dynamic design, spirited performance, rider-centric elements, and overall value proposition that positions it as a thrilling choice for those taking their first steps into the world of motorcycling. Dynamic design for a contemporary edge. The 2024 KTM 390 Duke exhibits a dynamic and contemporary design that immediately captures attention. With its sharp lines, aggressive styling, and distinctive split LED headlight, the 390 Duke exudes a sense of modernity and performance. The motorcycle's compact and nimble appearance sets it apart in the entry-level segment, providing beginners with a bike that not only performs well but also looks the part. The 390 Duke's design ensures that beginners can confidently ride a machine that reflects the excitement of motorcycling. Spirited performance tailored for learners. Powering the 2024 KTM 390 Duke is a spirited 373 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine designed to deliver a thrilling yet manageable performance for beginners. The engine's configuration is optimized for smooth power delivery and torque, ensuring that new riders can confidently navigate various riding scenarios. The 390 Duke's performance is tuned for urban agility, making it an ideal choice for both city commuting and weekend adventures. The bike's lightweight construction enhances its maneuverability, providing beginners with a dynamic and enjoyable riding experience without overwhelming power. Rider-centric elements for confidence-building rides. Prioritizing rider confidence, the 390 Duke features rider-centric elements that contribute to a comfortable and reassuring riding experience for beginners. The motorcycle's upright and neutral riding posture, along with a well-padded seat, ensures that riders can easily reach the ground, promoting stability at stops. The intuitive controls, clear instrumentation, and user-friendly features create an environment that allows beginners to focus on the joy of riding rather than complex mechanics. The 390 Duke's rider-centric design caters to the needs of learners, offering a bike that instills confidence from the very beginning. Agile handling for learning and growing. Weighing in at approximately 149 kilograms, 328 pounds, the 2024 KTM 390 Duke exhibits agile handling that is perfectly suited for learners. The motorcycle's lightweight chassis, responsive suspension, and sporty geometry contribute to stable and confident handling. The 390 Duke's nimble nature makes it easy for beginners to navigate through traffic, handle corners with ease, and develop their riding skills over time. The bike's agility ensures that beginners can enjoy a machine that grows with them as they progress in their motorcycling journey. Affordable ownership costs for new riders. Beyond its dynamic design and spirited performance, the 2024 KTM 390 Duke is budget-friendly in terms of ownership costs. The efficient single-cylinder engine design contributes to impressive fuel efficiency, making it an economical choice for daily commuting and weekend rides. KTM's commitment to durability minimizes maintenance requirements, providing beginners with a cost-effective and worry-free ownership experience. The affordability of ownership positions the 390 Duke as an ideal choice for new riders seeking a bike that not only excites but also respects their budget constraints. Customization potential for personal touch. Recognizing the desire for personalization, the 390 Duke offers riders the opportunity to enhance the motorcycle's aesthetics and functionality through a range of official accessories and aftermarket options.